Hi, this is Wolfgang. In this final video for this playlist, we will just have a look at the objects in the scene. In the outliner window, I've created some order here and I've relabeled some of the objects. Initially, when I started out, I only had the scan body, the analog sleeves and the implants. I used the ICP alignment tool to superimpose the scan bodies seen here onto the scan bodies of the intraoral scan. After that, I spent quite a bit of time creating the wax up. I sculpted the wax up and molded it in such a way that I would not get excessive bulk. Once I was happy with that, I spent time on making the cutting tool for the bar, and I managed to set the length of the bar and also indent some or create slopes and bring the bar in to the areas that I could salvage space in. After this, we remeshed the bridge and we ensured that the cutting tool was also of a pristine quality. We ensured there were no inverted vertices along the way, and if there were, I showed you how to rectify those. After that, we viewed the case from below, at least the bridge, with a cutting tool. I made sure there were no vertices of the cutting tool submerged into the underside or the tissue fitting surface of the mesh. Then I set a spacer, a cement spacer between the titanium bar and the bridge. Again, this space is for you to determine what is best for your outcome. Then after cutting that, I got the implant bar. Then I brought in abutments. I'm just going to hide that. The abutments, or at least the connection geometries, were then fitted into the bar, again making sure to maintain the integrity of the mesh. I then brought back the teeth, the bridge, and I had to spend a bit of time patching up some of the back areas, after which I smoothed those down. And the goal was to hide away the entire bar as best I can without producing extra bulk for the patient. After this, I brought in cutting tools, and then I perforated through the implant bar and made the necessary holes for the screw to go through. I then used the same cutting tools to perforate through the bridge, and I then concluded that one of the centrals needed an angled abutment, so I interchanged the abutment with a different abutment which allowed an up to 25-degree insertion for the screw. I then showed you how to cut out the other component, import the new component, and then swap the two. I then cut the final hole there. And this pretty much concludes the entire procedure for the bar which is enclosed in the bridge. I hope I've been clear with my demonstration, and thank you for joining us. Bye for now.